Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firhazim Ikamadin. My number is 279961. So I will do about the chapter 8. The topic is about the estimation or confidence interval for one population means. So in this topic, I will explain about the estimating a population means. As we have to know that a common problem in statistics is to obtain information about the means of a population. For example, we might want to know the mean age of a people in the civilian labor force or the mean cost of a wedding. If the population is small, we can ordinarily determine mean exactly by first taking a chances and then computing mean from the population data. If the population is large, however, as is often in a practice, taking a chances is generally impractical, extremely expensive, or impossible. Nonetheless, we can usually obtain sufficiently accurate information about the mean by taking a sample from the population. About the point estimate, one way to obtain the information about the population means without taking a chances is to estimate it by a sample means. In estimating a population means, as indicated in the following definitions, the term point estimate applies to use of a statistic to estimate any parameter, not just a population. So this is the question for the point estimate of a population. The question says the US census publish annual price figures for new mobile homes. The figures are obtained from sampling, not from a census. A simple random sample of 36 table 36 new mobile homes yielded the price in thousands of dollars shown in the table. Use the data to estimate the population mean price of all new mobile homes. So in this question is we have to estimate the population mean price from this data. This data is we have the data is 36 new mobile home yielded the price. So from this data, we estimate the population price of all the new mobile home by the sample mean price of the 36 new mobile homes technology. So first we have to plus all this data to find the population means. So from the data you just plus like this, 63.8 plus 64.4 plus 55.2 plus 52.9 plus 58.2 plus 51.6 plus 68.9 plus 58.6 plus 63.1 plus 69.4 plus 59.7 plus 53.7 plus 62.7 plus 57.7 plus 51.5 plus 45.3 plus 68.9 plus 45.9 plus 52.5 plus 67.2 plus 55.1 plus 60.3 plus 60.0 plus 51.9 plus 47.3 plus 49.7 plus 52.0 plus 72.7 plus 72.8 plus 59.6 plus 70.5 plus 43.9 plus 66.4 plus 59.8 and the lastly plus 73.9. So after we plus all this data, all the sample data price, we will get the population means, that is 2134.0. so we just get into the formula to find the population mean price. So the population means divide by the sample. So the sample is already given, it was already given, that is 36. So just put the population mean, that is 2134.0, divide by the sample, that is 36. So from the divide, we will get the answer is 59.28. Based on the sample data, we estimate the mean price of all the mobile home to be approximately 59.28 thousand dollars. That is $59,280. An estimate of this kind is called a point estimate for the mean, because it consists of a single number or a point. So the another question example is this: a publishing company has just published a new college textbook. Before the company decide the price of at which to sell the textbook, it want to know the average price of all such textbook in the market. The research department at the company took a sample of 25 comparable textbook and collected information on their price. This information produced a mean price of $145 for the sample. It is known that the standard deviation of the price of all such textbook is $35, and population of such price is normal. So according to this statement, we can see that the sample that we already give a sample, and the mean price, and also the standard deviation. So the question said, what is the point estimate of the mean price of all the such textbook? So the solution, from the statement, we just get in the data that we get, and the first data we get is the sample, that is 25, sample of 25 comparable textbook, and the mean price is $145, and also we get the standard deviation, that is $35. So the question just ask about the mean price of all the such textbook. So the point estimate of the mean, which we already given on the question, so just get it. The population means the point estimate of the mean price is $145. So as we learned in the chapter 7, a sample mean is usually not equal to the population mean. Generally, that is a sampling error. Therefore, we should accompany any point estimate of mean with information that indicate the accuracy of that estimate. This information is called a confidential interval estimate for the mean. And for the last, we have to know a point estimate of a population parameter is a single value used to estimate the population parameter. For example, the sample mean x is a point estimate of the population means. So that's all for me. Thank you.